Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I'm Oli Pepe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. So guys, on today's video, I plan on doing a makeup tutorial. I don't know the kind of look I'm going for yet. I don't even know what I want to do on my face, but anyways, I plan on filming another video, right as soon as I'm done with my makeup. But I just kind of decided that I should film the whole process of me getting ready and doing my makeup before I actually basically I'm using one stone to kill two birds. So I'm filming this makeup tutorial, and I'm also going to go ahead and do that second video. So yeah, please kindly stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Also subscribe to my channel if you've not, and also give this video a big thumbs up. And I guess let's dive right into the video. So guys, I already drew my brows off camera. If you're familiar with my channel and you watch my makeup tutorials, you know I always do my brows off camera. And anyways, I have a video on how I draw my brows on my YouTube channel, and you can just check that out. I'm going to leave the link to that down below in the description box. If you really want to know how I do my brows and you want to watch my eyebrow tutorial, you should go and check that out. For primer today, I'm going to be using these products. This is the Zaron Oil Free Pore Minimizer. Okay guys, this ended up making me look so white, which is quite funny. I don't know. The next product I'm going to be using right now is this Zaron's face primer. So guys, because I plan on filming another video right after this one, I need that extra protection because I have really oily skin. Just in case you don't know, just in case you're watching my video for the first time, I have really oily skin, and it is so, and this is the Zaron Oil Block Mattifier. So I'm just going to be applying that in the necessary places. So I'm just oh my god. So guys, this takes so much time to actually dry, which is quite funny because compared to my Makeup Magnesia, which is a little bit, you know, the consistency is a little bit clumpier, and this one is just like, it has like a more runny consistency. I believe this should dry up even faster. This takes so much time and takes longer to actually dry up compared to the Makeup Magnesia. So basically, I'm going to be waiting for this to dry up, then I'm going to come back and apply my foundation. This foundation I'm going to be using today is no other foundation but my Super Stay foundation from Maybelline, and I don't know where the cover of this is. I've not seen the cover in like a very long time, so this is how I've been using it. This foundation is matte, it's very good for oily skin. I would recommend, and yeah, this look is going, it's kind of like bending towards that kind of like oil proof matte makeup kind of tutorial. So this is how I would do my makeup if I was going out for a very long time and I wanted, you know, my look to last despite the fact that I have really oily skin. So I'm just going to be blending that out with my foundation brush. So I have to spray my brush first with some rose water, then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm going to drop my brush and pick up my beauty blender. This is my beauty blender by Zaron, and just go ahead and just pat over my whole face just to take out the excess foundation products that I have left on my face. So guys, I'm done blending my foundation, and I'm sure you guys can see how dark it is for me. I like my foundation at least a shade darker than my actual skin color, so that when I apply concealer and I blend it out, and I also go ahead and set my face, and I also like dust that off, I won't end up looking so bright. So you guys get, so it's just a way of like controlling the brightness. You guys can notice I seem to be avoiding my forehead. I'm going to get back to that, mainly because I've been breaking out a lot on my forehead, and even usually I don't really apply so much product on my forehead, so I basically just work on the rest of my face and then I get back to my forehead. You guys get, so just in case some of you are already cringing, just hold on, I'm going to get to this part. I'm going to be using today to highlight my face is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see how this has turned out. So basically, usually whenever I'm blending out my concealer, I tend to, like, you know, I'll turn. This was where I used for my foundation, this is where I used for my concealer. So I go back to where I used for my foundation, this round butt end of the beauty blender. And just go ahead and use that to blend out the edges, just so it, you know, blends out well. With my setting powder, and this is my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. By the way guys, I have other setting powders to actually use, but I would always reach into my bag of setting powders, and this is what I'll always pick. Funny how the first time, because this is actually my second purchase of this setting powder, the first one I got, I didn't entirely like it, because I feel like because I didn't know how to work with it. Do you guys get? So I gave that one away. Then I was like, let me just give this setting powder another try out. So ever since I found my way and I discovered how to work with it, this has been my go-to setting powder. Other setting powders will literally be wondering if I'm on crack or something, because I never ever used it. And I know I look so crazy right now, but it's all going to come back all together. Do you guys get? So just hold on, just sit tight, okay? Right now I'm going to be doing my powder contour, and this is the LA Pride Face Definer. Oh, and guys, I hate getting products into my baby ears. This is why I'm wearing this really cute ass headband. I really love it. This is like, it's so fluffy and it's like very cute. So go ahead and guys, I basically already did my nose job off camera, because that is like another whole ass process that takes so much time. If you guys want me to do like a whole tutorial on how I do my nose contour, I would like to actually show you guys how I do my nose contour. Just let me know down below in the comment section. But right now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into my eye and just complete my eyelid. I don't feel like doing any eyeshadow look, but of course I have to do, you know, some details just to make my eye pop a bit, and part of that is to line my waterline using this my product from Kiss Beauty Black Eyeliner Gel. And so I also like to do this process of blowing out my waterline, and to blow out my waterline I'm going to be using this shade right here on my BH Cosmetics blush and eyeshadow palette. This shade right here. And guys, I did something really ridiculous, which I almost don't regret, but it's not very ridiculous to say. So guys, I cut off my eyelashes. I cut off my natural eyelashes because I find it so hard and very difficult to fix false lashes, because I have really curly lashes. On this day I was just so frustrated. I just took scissors and choo I cut it off. I actually don't regret it though, because it used to give me like such a hard time. Oh my god, it was such a hard time to actually fix false lashes, and ever since I cut it, so to line my lips, I'm going to be using my lip liner from Beautyland by Didi. So the lipstick I'm going to be using is this lipstick I stole from my sister. I didn't buy this with my money, guys. I stole this from my sister, and this is Glam's Makeup Perfect Line lip pen. I don't know. And this is what it looks like. So I'm basically just going to be applying that in the middle of my lips. So guys, I almost forgot. I like to highlight my tear ducts using this my Revolution blush palette, and the exact shade I love to use to highlight my tear ducts is this silvery silvery. The exact shade I like to highlight my tear ducts is this silver shade right here. Guys, I feel like powder is like the finest finish of makeup, so I don't really like to put any much products like foundation or concealer on my forehead, but I like to go in with powder just to, you know, even out my forehead. I don't know if that makes sense, just to even out that whole space right there on my forehead.
Round 1, then a 2 and 3. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm done. Round 1, cause your boy went deeper. Fuck's sake, if I talk, put bleeper. If I walk, then my legs go weaker. Hands on my neck, what the fuck, stop breathing. Hurry quick, I got a session in the evening. Cheeky grin, cheeky beating. Sex on a beat, I should call it your beating. He can never be my bae. Sharp like fade, told him already.